Hey everyone, WhatsApp has a new update and it now lets you send stickers inside of your chat. So to get started with installing that update, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp, the messenger app here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It's updated to the latest version. And just go ahead under your chat window and chat with someone where you wanna use the stickers option. I'm just gonna go ahead and message myself here. And on the bottom where you just chat with someone, instead of text here next to it, there is a sticker icon. So if you press the sticker icon, if you see it changed to a keyboard, if I press back, it goes back to the keyboard. But I wanna go to stickers, and it's a little bit different here. By default, they're not installed. So it says you haven't added any stickers yet. So you have to add them first. So to do that, you have to press the plus sign. Let me go ahead and press that. And as you could see, all the stickers come in packs. So you basically have to download different packs. So if you want the cuppy or the salty, these different packs, I believe there are 12 as of the launch of this app as of November 2018. So to download the cuppy, I'll just have to press download right next to it. And now I have it. So let me go back to my chat and let me go back to stickers one more time. And now if you see on top, there's a cuppy option. So if I press that, now I get the different stickers options and there's a bunch of them under that one. So if I send one of them to myself just like that, it's gonna send it in a message. So let me press the plus sign one more time and let's install a different one. Let me go down here and let me do the hatch. So I'm gonna go ahead and download the hatch here. And then let me go back to my messages. And as you could see next to cuppy, there's hatch. So that's how you go between your stickers. So if I just jump back here and let's say I just went to a chat for a first time, I'll press this, press the stickers next to the chat, and by default it shows me the latest pack I downloaded, and I could go to the cup and so on. So you could download all of them next to each other here just by simply downloading them, and then they will be under your stickers tab. And now I have 3 of them downloaded. So download as many packs as you want, and I'm sure they're gonna release new ones all the time. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a like for easy to follow tech and social media videos posted every single day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching.